Alright, y'all, here we are. This is like day something like day 69, man. It is. So anyways, we're doing sound check, and guys, this thing will take your ears and rip them off. It's getting good. It was supposed to take me a couple days to do this sound check. It actually took me, 3 weeks now, and it still ain't done. But anyways, really loving it. This is where we're at. I haven't got the kitchen done yet. Just really enjoying it, though. I know this is loud. So, let's hope you guys are into this, man. I mean, you can't see over there the greatest, but wow, guys. Oh, man. I hope the sun's not too bad. Man, it's coming out so good, y'all. I can't wait to move it. That ain't gonna be no fun, though. So. Morning, y'all. Getting ready to go to work. Just wanted you guys to see it in the morning. It's got better light. Oh, man, I'm just, wow. Wait till this thing's in the middle of the desert, guys. You're gonna be in the middle of the desert, come up and go, what is that? What the, what? Guys, it's coming. Let's go.